How do antipsychotics affect the mesolimbic dopamine pathway? Have you ever wondered how certain medications can help manage the symptoms of schizophrenia? One key player in this process is the mesolimbic dopamine pathway. This pathway is a vital brain circuit that carries dopamine from the ventral tegmental area in the midbrain to the ventral striatum, including the nucleus accumbens. It plays a significant role in regulating motivation, emotions, and how we process rewards. In individuals with schizophrenia, this pathway often becomes overactive. This excessive dopamine signaling is closely linked to positive symptoms of the disorder. These symptoms include hallucinations, delusions, and disorganized thinking. So, how do antipsychotic medications come into play? Antipsychotics primarily target the mesolimbic dopamine pathway by acting as dopamine antagonists. This means they block dopamine receptors, particularly the D2 subtype. By reducing dopamine activity in this pathway, antipsychotics help alleviate those positive symptoms associated with schizophrenia. When antipsychotics bind to dopamine receptors on neurons in the mesolimbic pathway, they prevent dopamine from activating these receptors. This action leads to a decrease in dopamine-driven neurotransmission. Some antipsychotics can also induce a state called depolarization block. This state inactivates dopamine neurons, further reducing dopamine releases in the mesolimbic pathway. While this reduction in dopamine activity is beneficial for controlling positive symptoms, it is essential to consider that antipsychotics also affect other dopamine pathways in the brain. For instance, dopamine blockade in the nigrostriatal pathway can lead to movement disorders. Additionally, effects on the mesocortical pathway may worsen negative symptoms, such as apathy and social withdrawal. In summary, antipsychotics reduce dopamine activity in the mesolimbic dopamine pathway by blocking dopamine receptors and sometimes causing neuron inactivation. This action directly targets the overactive dopamine signaling believed to cause the positive symptoms of schizophrenia. However, the impact on other dopamine pathways requires careful management to balance the benefits and potential side effects of these medications. Understanding this relationship helps in the ongoing research and treatment of schizophrenia, as scientists continue to investigate the complex interactions between genetics, neurotransmitters, and brain pathways.